Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, a rarity, a short side dish episode. So, tonight we're having chorizo and bean chimichangas. And man or hombre cannot live alone on chimichangas. Though it's a valiant effort you should try one day. So, I'm going to make a sliced zucchini salad. So, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take 4 zucchinis, I'm going to use a peeler, and we're going to make very thin slices out of it. Hence the sliced zucchinis. Methinks, though more dangerous, a mandolin would have worked quicker. All right, got the zucchini slice now in your serving bowl. Go ahead and get about 3/4 of a teaspoon of lime zest. Then juice that lime. And as always, all of the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions are down in the description section. To our lime juice and lime zest, we're going to add some minced garlic. Then we're going to constantly whisk as we add about a 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, to that we're going to add some chopped cilantro. Whisk that in. We're going to add our zucchini ribbons and get that all mixed up. All right, and then we're going to top that with some toasted pepitas. That sounds fancy, but they're really pumpkin seeds that have been toasted. But pepitas, see. We'll get a little bit in a bowl, and we'll get a judge over here. Here she comes, Gabby, our judge. Our sliced zucchini salad. Simple, easy to put together, meant for going with Mexican food. And the verdict is?
That's super light, but a lot of flavor. That is really good. Like, that'd be great for like a hot sunny day too. Like, yeah, this is amazing.
Fantastic. There you go. So, sliced zucchini salad. Something to serve with your Mexican food. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.